Alright, so it's been about a week since I cleaned the boat. I've had 5 or 6 charters in the last few days, and it's disgusting. It's both filthy. It looks like it hasn't been washed in 3 years, and I don't like that. I don't like showing up to clients and they see a nasty boat. So pretty much we're just going to run through it and show you how I take care of this boat, how I maintain it, what I do on basically a weekly basis. And we're using degreaser and bleach. I only use bleach on the sea deck. Don't use bleach anywhere else. It destroys the boat. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to take everything out of the hatches, leave it here on the side, just so I have a clean space to work with. This is a gimbal, okay, I don't know why it's in there. And get to work. As you can tell, absolutely filthy in there. Same with up here. All these hatches are pretty gross. We're going to take care of that. So we're going to hook up the pressure washer, turn off the water. So I got the pressure washer set up. I'll already start spraying this down. And all this is really is bleach, 50% bleach, 50% water. And it really just eats away at that grime and crap on the sea deck. And you'll see pretty quickly how, once I hit it with the pressure washer, it comes out brand new. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna already put some degreaser in the hatch. Why is that there? Just so I can. This doesn't really matter if you get it on the boat. I clean the whole boat with degreaser. Spray the outsides of the batteries all over the hatch. But we're gonna hit the hatch now while that eats away. Still taking everything out of these back hatches. We're going to put it in a neat pile behind the boat. And on this hatch we're going to do the same thing. Bleach up here, just to get all that grime. You can get it even in there a little bit. And we'll spray the degreaser. Now that we got all the hatches done, we're going to move on to the floor. And that's just basically the same exact thing. We're going to spray it down with degreaser. Actually, I left a rod in there. Let me get that rod out. So we'll keep spraying it down with degreaser. You can hit the seats too. Now here we're just doing the floor. We're going to do the top deck first. I mean, after this. This needs a good wash. And then, while that's sitting, I usually will go and hit with bleach the sea deck under the gunnels, because that gets pretty nasty too. And again, making sure you don't hit the actual gel coat, because that'll just lead to more problems down the line. Now what we're going to do is, for hitting with the pressure washer, we're going to hit this with a microfiber towel, or hand mitt, whatever you want to call it. You'll see how good this boat comes out. And now it's the same thing. This is the easy part. Get inside the sponsons. Make sure that's all clean. All that's left now is hosing it down to get any little debris off, and she's basically done. So that's basically it. All I'm gonna do now is put everything away where it goes. I'll show you some B-roll of how it came out. Boat looks brand new. I mean, I take care of it. And I know I'm sure gonna get questions about what boat this is. It's a Beavertail Mosquito 18. I'm going to be doing a full-length review on this boat, on the water, fishing it, and basically telling you everything I like and don't like about this boat. There's not much that I don't like, but I will tell you a few things here and there that could be changed. I will probably end up changing them in the future. But besides that, yeah, boat came out great. You'll be seeing eclipse, and thanks for watching. I'll probably have a video of the review coming out in the next week or so.